everybody, Mary here with my Walmart beauty box that just came today. Yeah. This is a special box. It's called the Space NK box. It says version 5. So any of you out there who also got the Space NK box, let me know what you got. If you got the same things, but this has number V5, version 5 on it. So I have to assume that there are more versions, and for some reason they always give me very practical stuff. I'd like occasionally to get a good mascara or something. But anyway, this is the... Wow, there's a rhodial thing in here. And a Lancer thing. Okay. These are the things that you could have gotten. I did not get all of these things. In fact, one of the things I got isn't even on the card. Oh, okay. I guess this is a newer product. It's massive, and it's Crown Scalp Scrub. Now, I love scalp scrub. I'll tell you a secret, I really love scalp scrub. It's just, it makes your skin and your hair feel so fresh after you use it. I absolutely love that stuff. I've used scalp scrub, but not this brand. I think this may be a new brand. It's by Adam Reed. Archive. Scalp scrub. The Crown. Then there's an item from Lancer. That's the only full-size item other than the mask that's in there. Everything else is still sample size. Okay. Alright. The Method Polish. This is from Lancer. Small amount, dries to dry, damp skin, then gently massage over face, neck, and décolleté, avoiding the eye area. So it's a face scrub. I think I remember seeing that this was very well liked by people who tried it. I can't rationale the thought of buying a full size because I have so much skincare stuff now. I actually invited my daughter to come over and pull out what she might want for her or her friend. Anyway, this is Mood Mask by Patchology. I like Patchology masks. And this is good. It doesn't have an expiration date on it. I'll just have to keep that in mind. Alright, and there's something else in here. Facial in a jar. Face cream. Miami Beach Bum. This feels like more than one application of face cream. So, yeah. Feels like maybe 2. I'm very generous with my skincare. I don't skimp. This is Beauty Space hand cream. I can use a hand cream. I can use it right now. So, yeah, I can absolutely use a hand cream. Then there is Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. So it's basically a sleeping mask. Then there's Sand and Sky Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. Oh. Let's see, where are the directions? Oh, they're so small. I would need a magnifying glass to read that. But yeah, if it's a mask, cool. If it's a leave-on mask overnight, cool. So either way, when I get my magnifying glass out, I'll be able to read that. Then there is this CC cream. But it's not really the color I would wear. It's a dark color. Yeah. Sunny Flash, it's called. So I won't be using that. I don't know anyone right now who would be able to use that color, but I'm really happy with everything I got. I especially like this. This thing is 6 fluid ounces. It feels heavier than that. Mask, all this stuff is very cool. So I'm not sure that it's worth the extra money I paid to get a Beauty Space. And I don't know if it's going to be more than one box or or if there are going to be any other boxes. I'm not sure, but I did pay extra for this, so if it is a repetitive thing, hopefully I get something I like even more next time. So anyway, thank you for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary with my Walmart beauty box that came just today. Thanks and have a beautiful evening. Good night.